Accessing the app. First, we'll walk you through how to get to the VeggieBook app. If you're using an Apple iPhone, find the App Store on your phone. If you're using an Android smartphone, which typically are made by Samsung, Google, Motorola, and LG, find the Google Play Store. Once you open your phone's store, search for VeggieBook. Click Download. When the app is finished downloading, find the VeggieBook app on your phone and tap the icon to open it. Selecting a language. When you open VeggieBook, you'll see a blank screen like this with two options: Create New VeggieBook and Create New Secrets Book. If you'd like to change the language to Spanish, click on the icon in the top right corner that looks like 3 dots in a row. Then click Change to Spanish. Creating a VeggieBook. Now that you've picked your language, we'll learn how to create a VeggieBook. A VeggieBook is where you will pick recipes that all use a common vegetable. To start, click on the button that says Create New VeggieBook. If you click on the wrong button now or at any time during this video, click the arrow in the top left corner to take you to the screen you were just at. When you click Create New VeggieBook, you'll see a list of vegetables with an image of each one. Click on whichever vegetable you're interested in cooking. Once you click on a vegetable, you'll be given a few questions to answer to personalize your VeggieBook to your needs. Once you finish these questions, some recipes will be provided to you. Look over the first recipe on your screen. If you think it's something that you'd like to cook, click Keep. Clicking Keep will move this recipe into your VeggieBook. If it doesn't meet your needs or doesn't sound appetizing, click Drop. Clicking Drop will make sure that this recipe is not added to your VeggieBook. A helpful feature of VeggieBook is that you can also print out any recipes that you like. Each recipe can be printed once, but there is one exception. Once you're done picking which recipes to keep and which ones to drop, you can pick which recipes you want to be able to print 2 copies of. Once you're done, you're all set to choose the cover of your first VeggieBook. You'll be taken back to the main page of VeggieBook, and under the button that says Create New Secrets Book, you'll see your first VeggieBook. It will have a picture of the vegetable that you chose with the recipe cover photo in the bottom right. VeggieBook Basics. Click on the VeggieBook that you just created. This will take you to a new screen that shows each of the recipes that you decided to keep in your VeggieBook. Each recipe shows a picture of what the meal looks like with the recipe title at the top. If you selected any tips for the vegetable, a light bulb icon with Tips For will show up on the screen. If you click on the light bulb icon, you will scroll down to find all the tips and information that you've requested, such as tips for storage and nutrition facts. Now, go back to the main screen of your VeggieBook by clicking the arrow in the top left. Click on one of the recipes that you kept. This will take you to the recipe page, which includes information on ingredients, cooking time, instructions, and other information. Let's say you make this recipe and you love it so much that you want to share it with a friend. VeggieBook allows you to share recipes right from the app. To do this, click on the recipe that you want to share. On the recipe page, you'll see an icon in the top right that looks like a square with an arrow coming out of the top. Click this icon. When you do, there will be a pop-up that will have the option to select what app you'd like to share the recipe with. If you'd like to text it to your friend, select your phone's text messaging app. If you'd like to email it, select your phone's email app. As you cook these recipes, maybe you decide that you'd like more information on the VeggieBook's vegetable or different recipes using that vegetable. Instead of having to create an all-new VeggieBook, you can edit the VeggieBook that you just created. To do this, select the VeggieBook that you want to edit. On the top right corner, there will be an icon with 3 dots that are in a line. When you click this button, a small menu will appear on the bottom of the screen that has the options Edit, Print at Food Pantry, and Cancel. Click Edit. This will take you back to the questions that you answered when you created this VeggieBook. Your answers have been saved, but you can delete an answer by tapping the checkbox to uncheck it. If you'd like different or more information for your VeggieBook, tap the checkboxes to pick what you want. Creating a secrets book. Next, we'll create a secrets book. Go back to the main page from where you are by clicking on the arrow in the top left. Think of secrets like tips and tricks. There are 5 categories or chapters of secrets: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and shopping. Once you pick a category, you will go through the same steps that you did for picking recipes for your veggie book. You can read through each secret, which shows the tip with an explanation for why it works. If the tip seems helpful, you can press Keep to put the secret into your secrets book. If you don't find the secret helpful, you can press Drop so that it won't be in your secrets book. When you're finished picking which secrets to keep and which ones to drop, you will be taken to a screen where you can decide which secrets to print an extra copy of, so you'll have 2 copies total. Next, you're taken to a similar screen where you pick the cover image of your secrets book. Once you've chosen a cover image, your first secrets book is finished. You can make multiple secrets books in VeggieBooks, so repeat the process that we just went through to make more.